Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a put option on Charles Schwab. First, log into your Charles Schwab account. Once logged in, navigate to the Trade tab, then select Options from the drop-down menu. Before proceeding, ensure your account has the necessary approval for options trading. This is a crucial first step to access the options trading platform. Next, you'll need to find the specific put option you want to buy. Enter the ticker symbol for the underlying stock into the search bar. After that, choose an expiration date from the available options. Remember, expiration dates can significantly impact the option's value. Finally, scroll down the option chain to locate the put options section, typically found below the call options. Now it's time to configure your order. Select the strike price that aligns with your trading strategy. This is the price at which you can sell the underlying stock. Then, specify the number of contracts you wish to purchase. Each contract typically represents 100 shares. Lastly, choose your preferred order type, such as a limit order to control your entry price or a market order for immediate execution. Finally, thoroughly review all the details of your put option order. Double-check the ticker symbol, expiration date, strike price, and number of contracts. Confirm the total cost of the trade and understand the maximum potential loss. Once you are confident, submit your order. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.